dabbing in the house.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey,
Good morning, ladies. So we are just doing spellings with Harry, and it's so cute because that is your very special pencil. Just quickly touch upon the story behind that. So we've been having a few little problems, haven't we, with writing?
Yeah.
So what is it you don't like about writing?
I don't know the spellings.
Okay, you don't know the spellings. So what we did was we went to Asda and we bought very special pencil case. What is it?
PJ Mask.
PJ Masks, pencil case, rubber. We didn't get a ruler with it. Got a sharpener. And since then, Harry's writing has become amazing. So if ever you have a child at school who's struggling with their writing, I suggest getting, you know, their favourite pencil case and what have you, and it really, really encourages them. It really works. So Harry's just been doing some spellings. So what is the first word?
Good, I'll tell you the rhyme.
There's a rhyme, guys. I couldn't believe it. I don't remember ever. I remember the because one, but I don't remember these. So go on.
Cool octopuses usually look dizzy.
Okay, so what's the second word?
Should.
What's the rhyme?
Weird. Shy octopuses usually look dizzy.
And the next one?
Would. Weird octopuses usually look dizzy.
That's cute. And what's the next one?
There are 2 rhymes for this one.
You do 2 like that. Not like that. 2 like that. Try again.
2.
2. Okay. Right, what's the first one?
Big elephants can always understand small elephants.
Okay.
And now the second one is big elephants can't always use small exits.
Yeah, that is true, because why is that?
Because they're massive and they can't use doors.
Yeah. I love you. Is there one for everyone? Is there one for people? Oh, what's the people one?
People eat omelettes, people like eggs.
That's good, I like that. What's your favourite thing at school?
It's a sharpening party.
What?
Sharpening party! Where we get to sharpen every pencil and colouring pencil.
What?
And not do any work. And I love dabbing in the house.
What? So what are the rules at school that you're not allowed to do?
No dabbing, no bottle flipping, no flossing, or tic-tac-toe.
What's tic-tac-toe?
It's tic-tac-toe, give me 3 in a row.
So
Rock,
Harry.
paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, that's cute. So Harry,
we're not allowed to do those things in the classroom. Just in the classroom.
What about in the playground?
Playground on the first line that I said, which is no flossing, dabbing, rock, paper, scissors, or tic-tac-toe.
Okay.
That, it says in the classroom after it.
Okay.
So that means we're not allowed to do it in the classroom.
Okay.
We're allowed to do it outside.
Do you enjoy doing it?
Yeah, I love doing the dab!
So, do you really like your pencil?
Yeah.
And your pencil case? How's my earring looking?
Good.
Is it bleeding a bit?
Just a tiny bit.
Uh-oh. Am I going to bleed to death?
No, I can only see a tiny bit.
Oh, don't touch it! He's just whispered saying, can we now go and play VR? See, this is the thing, right? We've got this new virtual reality. What is it?
PlayStation VR, virtual reality.
Virtual reality. So, he really didn't want to do his spelling. And I said to him, if we do the spelling nicely, then we can do VR before school. And you did it really nicely. So please leave me comments down below if you guys are having any issues with your children at school. Get back here! Get back here! I'm not finished the video yet. Please leave me comments of like any issues. No, don't, because the camera's too bouncy. You've got holes in your onesie. Right, this child wears his onesie every single night for bed. And if I need to wash it, I have to wash it whilst he's at school and dry it before he gets back home so he can wear it again. It's ridiculous. Where even is this from? Did we get it from Primark?
I think it was a present from Granny.
Oh, I bought that for you. I think it's from Primark. But anyway, so this is Harry's little update on his school life with being in junior school. Right. Can you be sensible a minute, please? Get that back up there. So give this video a thumbs up. Right, if we're going to be silly, come on. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to me for free. And we will see you in our next video. Say bye, ladies!